I have been snacking on these cookies. It was burnt and dried out my chicken, but
want you to fall in deeper. 보여줘 나의 미소. We're doing a rendezvous, baby, right now. I keep dreaming it's not enough. I pick you up every time we do. We play cause we know this feeling's new. I've feeling up, down, girl, since I met you. Oh no. Swimming over Malibu, I guess it's true. The fights have damaged you. Swimming over Malibu, it's overdue. Cause the baddest have damaged you. Swimming over Malibu, I guess it's true. The fights have damaged you. My love, my love, my love. We'll take it by the show. Cause I want you right here when you're calling out. Just tell me you wanted more. Do it night and day, make your body sway. And I'm floating in your ocean eyes, hypnotized, falling right.
after my workout, your girl is going to have some mesquite chicken, and this came from Sam's Club. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in the air fryer, and then I'm going to have a little bit of the rice that I have left over, which is the sticky rice from earlier in the week. I'm going to go ahead and finish that off, and then probably have like a small salad if I feel like it. If not, I'll just have the salad later. So all today, what I had was some coffee. I had 2 cups of coffee. One was just collagen coffee, and the second one was protein coffee with a little bit more, just protein coffee. Then I had a protein shake with with protein and berries. Then when we came back to get the dryer, I decided to just go ahead and have some sourdough toast with some butter on it. So that was okay. Then I decided to have, what did I have around? It's 4 o'clock. It's 4:40. I didn't have anything else. Yeah, because when we came back, I had toast because the place didn't open up until 10. So by the time we came back, it was 12 o'clock, almost 1. So yeah, that's pretty much all I had was a protein shake, a little bit of protein powder in my coffee, and then sourdough toast. So now I'm going to have this. So with the Mounjaro, yeah, this is week 2, and I am starting to feel it. Well, I've been feeling it, but I don't know. I'm pushing myself to eat food, but I am noticing that the calories are starting to decrease a little bit. Now, do I eat like that all the time? No. I try not to eat low in calories. I am doing intuitive eating. So intuitive eating is just basically listening to my stomach, my body, to let me know when I'm hungry and when I am satisfied. That is it. I don't do any tracking. Sometimes you'll see me use like a measuring spoon, or if I need to pull out my scale just to make sure I'm getting enough ounces in chicken, then I'll do that. Or like with my rice, I'll make sure I'm getting at least a half a cup, not a full cup, because I need to be careful like with my carbs. Now with my carbs, if I want to lose weight, I need to eat at least 120 or less. If I want to maintain my weight, I need to be eating at least 170, in between 120. If I want to gain weight, then I'll eat more. And yes, I have went on a weight gain journey after I quit Zepbound, just to give my body some more curves and definition compared to how I looked skinny fat at 133. So now I'm ranging between 149 and 151 pounds. And this is my 2nd week on Mounjaro, and I'm still averaging about the same. I'm trying to get the medicine in my body a little bit more so I can at least try to maintain my weight and not drop a whole lot of weight. But yeah, that is what we're doing. Sugar plum. Put there. And go ahead and start it. here's the little bit of sticky rice that I have. I have been able to eat at least 4 or 5 servings out of this. So this is the little corner that I have. So this is perfect. I don't need to measure nothing out. Alright. As far as my veggies, I don't know. I need to have some veggies because I didn't have any today. But I did use my my super blend greens. So I did get some veggies and fruits in that one. So I have been snacking on these cookies. Let me put y'all up. I have been snacking on these cookies all week. It's Saturday. Today was the first day I have not had the cookies. So in order for me to not eat these cookies, what I decided to do was have that drink, which is that collagen drink with the strawberry lemonade. I had that because that was sweet enough, and guess what? I was good. Now, will that work all the time? I don't know. But today I made it work. And then I still wanted to eat the cookies, so I said, you know what, let me work out because I haven't worked out yet. So, yeah, girl, avoid the cookies. And these are the strawberry kind. These are my oldest daughter's. And she got chocolate in the refrigerator. So she got the symphony. Do you know how hard it is? If I was not on Mounjaro, I would be wiping out that chocolate in them cookies. Now, I've been eating, like last night I had like 4 cookies. Like I needed that last night. But I had 4 cookies last night. But yeah, I'm really trying my hardest to like back away from the sweets. But yeah, for the past few weeks, it has been Sweet Nation around here, okay? But we're going to do what we need to do to stay on track. Not saying that you can't have sweets, but have it in moderation and what that looks like to you. I think I've had enough sweets Monday through Friday to where today I can take a break, okay? That's just what we're going to have to do, take a break from it. And no, I don't want to have the cookies just so I can add more calories back into my calorie intake. No. So intuitive eating, you got to tell yourself no cookies, eat food. Okay, so I am editing my vlog because it's Saturday. Yeah, I'm editing the vlog, and this is the one where I like told my testimony right here. And girl, I was sitting up here in tears watching this. But I am getting ready to eat, so you can't tell me that this chicken ain't done. Girl, I almost burnt and dried out my chicken, but when I flip it over, it's pretty moist. But yeah, it's a little dried out on the top. So there goes my sticky rice. In this vlog here, you're going to see the sticky rice that I talked about in this vlog. So I am a day behind with this vlog. Girl, I'm behind in a lot of stuff, but I've been pushing out videos, okay? So, all right, girlfriend. So the dryer is already put in place. It's already together. As I was moving the stuff out of the little laundry room, you know, there was towels and a vacuum cleaner. So I was like, let me put it in the guest bathroom, which is the girls' bathroom. And I was like, let me just put it in there. So someone told me, I just felt like the Holy Spirit was like, no, girl. Put it somewhere else because they're going to have to go to the bathroom. Somebody's going to have to go to the bathroom. Why is it that when they knocked on the door, the guy was like, can I please use your bathroom? Can I please use your bathroom? So when I was trying to move the stuff out, because my daughter cleaned the bathroom, but I pushed dirty towels and a vacuum cleaner in there, he was like, no, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Like, he really had to go to the bathroom. But yeah, it's just like, you know, child, when you like listen to the Holy Spirit, like that voice in your head is telling you something while you're doing it, and then yeah, it's crazy. But I am on my way to go chill and hang out with the crew. I am going to hang out with the family members, you know, for his cousin since he passed away. So I'm gonna go over there, show and pay my respects. They're not having a funeral. He got cremated. His mom and the rest of the other family members came from North Carolina to be here. So yeah, that is what I'm getting ready to go do. Because there are people that I haven't seen since I was in high school. So I met some of his family members in North Carolina because that's where we were at. We were in Fayetteville when we met. And his grandmother on his mom's side lives in another city. So we went there. Years ago. They took me over there. And what's funny is that I had just got over the chicken pox. And yes, I caught the chicken pox my senior year, a month before prom. I caught the chicken pox at that old age. I caught it. And yeah, so I was well enough, of course, to go hang out because I had been in the house for so long, for about a week. So I was ready to go that weekend. So my mom was like, okay, so if you go there, just know you're going to church Sunday and you're going to school Monday. I said, okay. So I went. Hopefully I can do my Shein haul. If not, I'm going to try to squeeze it in Sunday because Sunday, girl, I got to get the live out, right? You know, your girl did them arm workouts earlier today, sure did. And then I got my kicks here, my dunks. We're just gonna be chilling, and boom, that's it, boo.
Yeah, that's a flat bread.
Yeah, I want it.
Yeah, you gotta get it.
You gonna get that pork in.
Pork in.
Yeah. Nope. Get that one.
Which one?
I mean, get the pizza. I mean.
Yeah.
Yeah. $5.99.
No, I mean, got that cheese. Nah, I don't want that no cheese.
Well, $6.99.
I need pepperoni. I know y'all don't eat this for free.
No, nobody want that.
That's it, well, shit.
No.
I don't eat that big stuff. That pepperoni. Shit,
Yeah.
you can use it. Good white chicken fettuccine Alfredo sauce.
Yeah.
Wanna get this?
Yeah. Rosemary, thyme, dill. Ooh. Cilantro. 79 cents. I want some strawberry. And I am gonna get blackberry. Peppers. They got the bagel thins. Multi-grain thins. Do I have any more bread? I got a little bit of sourdough bread left. Oh, they sourdough is smaller. I don't think you can buy wine right now. Okay, so they sourdough bread, you only get 4 grams. But 2 slices. Ooh. What? I don't eat no avocado. Boy, let's get this bacon so we can go get them onions, sir.
You got bell pepper?
No.
Oh, no, eat $1.99.
So we got that.
But them $2.99.
Oh.
Cost more than the damn million, ain't it?
Well, you get 3. Alright. What, Italian dressing? Ranch. Yeah, because we know nothing ain't getting upset, don't get it. Alright. Oh, get him on my man behind. Woo. Woo. Oh yeah, all these dudes got in some stuff. Yeah. Ooh, hockey. $1.99. Okay. Ooh, cotton candy rings.
Now that's what good. Oh, this ain't seasoned brisket noodles. Oh, per pound. Oh.
Sorry. What?
Pepper, the apple. You get to eat that.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
One.
I want that big bacon. Give me that big bacon. Right there. Yeah.
Or the beef smoked sausage.
I guess that. It has a weird taste to it. Yeah. Like, to me, it does. Y'all might like it, but
I ain't gonna get it.
it has a weird taste. Get some paper plates, sir. Right now. Right now. Family size. What? Oh, you found your Milo tea? So I can start having that for breakfast. I'll get the apples and cinnamon. Got this. The eggs. And I just added this right here. No. Okay, so I just added some rice cakes. He just added chips. Yeah. We're just gonna have to unthaw that. Okay. I tried following Kiana's makeup tutorial, the one that she did 3 years ago.